Hello guys. Hi. Them a cuss me for vlog, so we're vlogging. I don't want to turn it on, sir. What no go for? We are here on a weekend. We're going bowling, people. Thank you very much. So nice. Good afternoon. We're gonna bowl right now. We are in the bowling alley. One of my favorite places to be. This is Alain and this is Nisha.
You want hard feet?
Go! Who's next? I'm the vlogger. Go, Tanisha. Oh. To get ready for dinner. Be there cool for like 5 minutes, but yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. we are out and we are ready for the beach. I'm gonna right at the beach side, people. Right at the beach side. Because why not? Ooh, this feels so nice on my toes. And the sun is coming up. That's so beautiful. Alright guys, morning. So I'm at the beach. Where are you? Anyways, so I'm up guys. I'm up. It is like probably about 6 o'clock now. I'm up. Got up and I did my skincare. And then I got down to the beach. And I'm enjoying myself. Like the water is so peaceful and just so me. I don't know. I find peace wherever I'm at. And I love this. I just love this. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. But anyways, I'm just chill and enjoy my little sunrise because the sun is coming up. So probably about 6:30 there about, or so about 6:45. I'ma just go up and then get ready because I'ma bathe and then go to breakfast after. Sure. And then after breakfast, I will put on my other basket and then come and go other beach places, go other water places and stuff. But right now, I'm gonna enjoy myself down here. My toes in the water and all of that. So, yeah.
Clean up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through.
Morning. And I'm heading, up for morning. I think I showed you guys while I was at the pool. But right now, I'm heading to breakfast because I'm hungry. So we gonna go. So yeah, this is like the outfits. Definitely some I'm sure like the outfits of the day. But I think for today it's just gonna be pool and beach. But I don't know if I walk on the beach until like probably evening. But yeah, pool, beach, just fun. But thank you. Alright, so I'll see you guys when I see you guys along the way.
I am in Jamaica. Where are you? United States? UK? Which part you say you're Canada?
I think I've been vlogging like really patchy from weekend, but I'm here to enjoy myself because I'm in Jamaica, where are you? But yes, I really did enjoy myself. But literally burned, guys. When I came up yesterday, I was burned. I literally looked red. My chest and my back and my hand, they were red. But I put on some of the aloe vera thing, so I don't feel it that bad now. But I'm gonna have to put on. I did feel it. Scratch my skin, I feel it a while ago. So that's that. Anyways, I'm just outside. I think I'm gonna shower soon and get ready. And then I don't know what I'm doing first. I'm going to the beach. Probably to the beach. Gotta pull them now open until about 10 o'clock. But guys, yesterday at the beach, it was so nice. Like, I think I'm gonna insert the video before this. I was there playing around in the water, and then I saw a little fishy beside me. And he wanna come up, so I was like, alright, so I'm gonna off the camera. But the thing is, I couldn't have vlogged it this way because of the case I have on the water case. The end that's like one of the ends where it locked. I'm not trust that to put that in my water, so I only put the other end in the water. So I only could get the vertical part. So I think I'm gonna insert those before this one so that you guys could see it because I captured this so well. I need an underwater camera. Like, I really do need a waterproof camera. I had one and then it stopped working, so I need to try and see if I can buy back one more because I need one. But yeah, that was yesterday. Enjoyed the pool. We had some like, what do you call them, like starvings kind of being in the pool yesterday. That was nice. That was an exercise. I'm literally picked up and I feel this body. Like, oh my god, I need to start exercising. Oh, and I went to water aerobics too. Like, all of them something there. Probably if I did have a water camera, I just have the water camera there. But I do not want my phone falling in the water, so I not carry this in the water. As much as I have on the water something funny, I'm not trust that. So all of those activities yesterday, and then today, because I have to make sure I enjoy it. Today is like the day you're leaving, so you don't have the full day. You have to check out at 12. So you know a lot of the activities you never get to do. Girl, I enjoyed it. Even bowling. I think I went bowling since I've been here about 3 times. Yeah, I bowled about 3 times. Your girl gotta enjoy it. I got to enjoy it. But yeah, I did enjoy every bit of it, and I'm so happy I did. So yeah, let's see what today brings, guys. I'm so tired. Oh my god. You know, tired. Tired. Becoming tired, I'm a little tired, but I'll sleep next weekend, but not this one. Or something. Because before I came to the hotel, I actually went to workshop for 2 days. So I was on the road traveling for the 2 days and along because we are Mandeville we go. So it's like over 2 hours drive to go and then to come back. So that's like 4 hours of driving or more. So we're tired per day. So I have my clothes outside actually drying. Remember I told them never up figure on mining beach today because I'm like, if I go to a mining beach, then I'm gonna have to either put on back a wet bathsuit after me done breakfast, or have a different bathsuit. And I don't have more than one bathsuit wet before I wait. So I mean, I'm gonna fit to come back and put on wet bathsuits. So we just, you know, plus we did tired, so we just into my face. I need to figure out what to keep doing with it, but that's a different story. We're vacationing, right? So we don't care about face. We don't care about face. Anyways, I'm a bit now, guys. I'm in so much pain. Like, when I know what paid me up for the water aerobics, or if it's the game that we're playing, but something paid me up. I'm really paid up on me. it hurts, but it was fun, so I'm happy I did. So let's see what today brings, guys. I don't know, probably I'll have this as a separate vlog or something. I don't know. Alright, see you later. By the way, guys, this is my view. It's so cute. It's so relaxing. Like, if I could live here so, that would be nice. Like, we need an apartment right here, just looking over the ocean. And it's just so relaxing. Imagine I come home from work from a stressful day of children teaching, and this is your view. Wouldn't this be nice? I don't think we'd have bad stress. I don't think we'd have bad stress at all.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I